Okay, sweetie pie, you want to tell everybody what you got?
Yeah, this is last week of March in my garden. So this was tree peony that was just getting ready to bloom. Now, this is a picture of when they're fully bloomed. Because of hot weather we had, the bloom didn't last as long. And the background is our pond with.
Oh, this is before the rain. We got a big rain on Friday night. See all the dust,
Help
pollen.
wash away some of the pollen.
And this is after the rain.
Yeah, which is nice, but there are plenty more pollen to come.
This is what the pollen looks like in the pool. This is my job. I gotta backwash the filter constantly, and the water looks like this when it comes out.
It's
Yeah.
the third egg that got
Pushed out of the nest.
sad, but that's nature. Kwanzaa cherry tree up front, and our this is down the street, wisteria, Chinese wisteria, which is very invasive. It's beautiful this time of the year, and the rest of the year is just green vine, and they go everywhere. We have one, and I had to get rid of it because it was reseeding everywhere, and like I said, it's a very invasive. Pink dogwood and a white, again, because of hot weather, the blooms, it's already kind of fading out, and the leaves are leafing out. This is Ladybank's roses, is just taking over the whole area. I have to remove all the plants that's there. This is burgundy tree peony after rain. These blooms got quite large. It's the largest my palm of my hand.
Well,
and the bees.
You have a tiny hand.
Yeah, but the bees are getting pollen like crazy. There's a Solomon seal, and there's a Mayan palm. There's some volunteer Japanese holly, and this is a zuga with some moss growing between my wall. Azuga is really good for ground cover, and it's pretty this time of the year because it's got all the blooms, pretty blue flowers, and they're very easy to take care of, and they spread. So it's but it's not too aggressive. This is cobra lily. Scientific name is Erisame ringen.
That's it.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't.
Check out the owl cam. Babies are on the way.